Hello, I'm speaking from Nivan. I'm basically from Lucknow. I stay here in Defense Colony in Delhi. I came here because I had some knee problem. I came here researching a bit from various hospitals, and basically I was told that I have to undergo knee replacement surgery by various top doctors and top names in Delhi. However, when I came to Nivan, I heard about Dr. Rohit Gulati, fine young gentleman. He examined me, then he said, I want to see your MRI. I said, I don't have an MRI. He ab karwa lo, humne karwa liya. Then I went back to him. He said, you don't need total knee replacement. Something called meniscus surgery, and the other, your ligament has gone or something. I said, but I'm prepared for that, and I want, if I have it done, I'm 76 years old nearly. I said, ek hi saath karaunga. I can't undergo pain twice, and number two, I don't want to be incapacitated for long also. However, I underwent meniscus, and why I'm very satisfied with Dr. Rohit Gulati and this clinic is because there's no bullshitting. The approach was very professional, but very friendly and very conversationally. I mean, I could understand everything. Having said that, he said you will have to do. He told me all the steps, Dr. Rohit, and then he said physiotherapy हम उसके बाद कराएंगे. My physiotherapist presently is a young lady, Dr. Ritu. She is a small thing but bloody powerhouse, and she's spare me. And I said to myself initially, will Dr. Ritu capable? Because I'm a 6-footer and she's a 5-footer probably. He said, "Aap jao to karwao to pehle." Pulls and yanks and pain or whatever, but I'm in a fortnight feeling better thanks to her and her persistence. Best part is that Dr. Rohit also finds time to speak to me. How do you feel now? What is all this? He's very approachable. So therefore, I think I did a very, very good thing coming to Nivan and not one of these big corporate hospitals. I'm comprehensively insured throughout. It is not a cost factor. It's a comfort factor. And I've been able to do other things also, which I want to do.